Popular in the kitchen and the garden, basil is one of the most well-known herbs grown. It tastes amazing when used fresh in our food, but it can be also used in tea and as a supplement. There are many different varieties of basil out there. This year I'm growing 16, so let me share them with you. Let's start here with the most unique variety, African basil Nuno. I got my seeds from Baker Creek. This basil tastes a little different than all of the other basils I know, but is greatly medicinal. From boosting fertility to getting rid of bad breath, benefits of this basil, also known as scent leaf, are quite a lot. As you can see, it's starting to bloom already, but I still have some seeds left for next year, so I'll just pinch these blooms off so it can keep growing. I don't like to eat this variety raw, so I'm planning on drying it up and using in medicinal purposes. Next is dark purple basil, which looks amazing. I like growing it together with my flowers. It's like edible ornamental. I love it a lot. The taste of it is somewhat mild. I can't say I don't like it. I do like it, but maybe in salads where you don't need a strong basil flavor. This variety really stands out from all of the others. Another great unique variety is Window Box Mini. This one is really a miniature variety of basil. I like the taste of it. It's a little bit sharp, strong, small but mighty. It's really cool. I like it. And similar to the Window Box Mini is this dwarf Greek variety. It has tiny white blooms. I really like it, but I have to pinch them off. A complete opposite to the mini basil is this large leaf variety called lettuce leaf. I really like these ruffled leaves. They taste great in salads and sandwiches. They look awesome. I really love growing it. Leaves of this basil can get really big, and you can use them instead of lettuce in lettuce wraps. Also, it's one of the slowest basils I grow to bolt, which is really cool. If you like eating hot food, then you would love to have this blue spice variety of basil. I like the taste of this basil. It has a little kick. This variety has small leaves, not as small as a dwarf or a mini basil, but still, the leaves are not big. I like using them in sandwiches the most, and it has these beautiful purple pink flowers, but I have to pinch them now because it's only June. Another interesting variety is cinnamon basil, and I believe it came from Mexico. Let me know if you are from Mexico, if that's true. I like the taste of cinnamon basil. It doesn't taste like cinnamon to me though. It's a little bit more like sweet anise flavor, I would say. It has these red veined stems, and also it's very similar to Persian basil. The only difference I can tell is the Persian basil has clean leaves, clean green, and then the cinnamon basil has a purple red on the leaves as well, not just the stems. So the Persian basil has this sweet licorice flavor as well. And as you can see, it's blooming. I have to pinch it off. I really like this variety. It's sharp and sweet in the same time. And the next one on our list is a variegated perpetual basil. I believe that's what it is. It has a mild flavor, so if you don't like those sharp, spicy, sweet varieties, you can try this one. It tastes like regular basil, but it has a unique look. Next two varieties are my favorite varieties of basil. They are lemon basil and lime basil. They're so similar. Both have this citrusy scent and taste. So I got them from this farm and they are so great. I love the taste, the scent. Amazing. I'll be growing more and more of these. I had them last year, I think, for the first time, and I fell in love. Number 12 on our list is Chinese sweet basil, and it tastes very similar to lemon and lime basils. It has that citrusy flavor to it as well, but it also has the sweetness, so it's sweet and sour, I would say. I guess it's perfect for Asian cooking. But how tiny those leaves look compared to the lettuce basil. And this variety is called Italian large leaf or flat leaf basil. It's a classic Italian basil. You can find it in every grocery store, I believe, at least where I live. And it's a traditional flavored basil, what we know as basil. And I always grow it because it grows large, big, and I can cut it and dry it, and I can make sauces from it. It's great in pesto. I love this variety. It's like this universal basil. Good in every recipe and every dish. And this is my sweet or Genoese basil. It is similar to the Italian large leaf basil, but it has a slightly different color, like lime green, and also the leaves are not flat. So that's how I tell the difference between them. This is also a classic and traditional basil you would find in grocery stores. It doesn't get as tall and as bushy as Italian large flat leaf basil because the leaves are slightly curled up. It's sometimes hard to pick them without damaging the other new baby leaves, but I try to do it often because I wanted to keep growing and getting bigger. The last two varieties, Thai sweet basil and Siam queen Thai basil, I just planted not so long ago. They are already growing, as you can see, really cute baby seedlings. I don't know about Siam queen, I haven't had it yet, but Thai basil I had grown before and I like it. So hopefully it'll grow this year as well, and I'll compare it to the Siam queen Thai basil and see which one I like more. Now, after I had shown you all of the 16 varieties I am growing this year, let me tell you how I get my plants to be bushy. So I just pick as much as I can of the main stem and let those side shoots to grow. So let me show you close how I do it. Just like that. Very easy, right? Just keep picking. The more you pick, the more of these leaves will grow. It's amazing. But that's how herbs are. So keep harvesting your basil. And if you don't use it as much in raw form, then dry it. And then you'll be thankful on cold winter days when you can just open a jar of your homegrown basil leaves and add them to soups or stews. You'll be delighted. Look at those tiny baby leaves over there. They'll grow into big, large ones, and you'll collect them again. Thank you for watching.